Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you 5 mods you need for your Fabric server. This mod is the first on the list and it's designed to enhance the adventure and exploration aspect of Minecraft. These gliders can be crafted from basic materials like wood, iron and gold, as well as more advanced materials like diamond and netherite. This helps players not want to rush to go to the end of the nether and enjoy the first stages of gameplay. This mod is definitely one of my favorites on this list because it adds emoting. This mod comes with 8 pre-made emotes perfect for roleplay, like crying, jumping, and much more. In addition to these base ones, you can install more from the author's GitHub page, which we'll leave in the description. This mod is a must for servers, and it's the DualRide mod. This is a tiny mod that allows 2 players to sit on a horse. It's super simple, but this will definitely come in handy for SMPs. This next mod is a Decor mod that also gives a purpose to the game. This mod introduces new decorative blocks such as umbrellas, watering cans, piles of leaves, and much more. The watering cans can actually be used to water your crops. The piles of leaves can be used to stop mobs from passing through, and there are also umbrellas and raincoats to protect you from the rain. Lastly, there's also weather vanes that indicate the weather. Last on the list is the classic Minecraft Comes Alive mod. This mod has been updated for recent versions and villages and towns are now transformed. They look a little more human and you can interact with them to build a relationship. Each villager has their own personality and moods and a bunch of interactions possible to do with them. Not just that, but you can also marry them on your SMP, perfect for roleplay drama. You can also have babies with said villagers, as well as upping your rank in the village so you go from peasant to king. This is a classic from the older Minecraft days, but definitely a must. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!